The last option in the View Layout tab is the Alternate Position View. It allows you to take an assembly with motion and superimpose one position over another in a single view. So within the drawing, I'll go ahead and add in several model views of the manual press. And to make this a little easier to see, I'm going to change the scale to 1:8, and that'll update both the parent and the child. And then I'll go ahead and select this side view and choose alternate position. And there's two options. There's the option to create a new configuration or use an existing configuration. Currently I have 3 position configurations, and I have one that's free floating. So I'll go ahead and come back into the drawing sheet, and I'm going to select the handle mid as the reference configuration, and then for the alternate position I'll use the handle down and click OK. And you see that adds in a little superimposed ghost of the other configuration, and you can add in as many alternate positions on the same view as you want, so we can get those 3 separate positions. If I want to create a new configuration, I can do that as well. I'll go ahead and just drag this down and click OK. And you'll notice it doesn't add another position. All it does is actually change the reference configuration. So if I go to handle mid, you'll notice that it was added underneath, because the default is free floating, so it automatically updated to that same view. So we can choose any one of these for the other position. I'll choose handle up and click OK. And we'll add in just one more based on a new configuration. And you'll notice, since the reference configuration is fully defined, that I can't change this. So it's just going to create another copy of that same view for that configuration. When using the alternate position view, I tend to ignore the new configuration. I would suggest just creating those position configurations yourself and then adding them in with the alternate position view. It allows you more control, and it tends to be a little more simple. But that's how you add in an alternate position view of your assembly.